going on, guys? Back for day 16 of Vlogmas, and we are opening up Harry Potter Hallmark mystery ornaments. Four of them to be exact. Beans haven't caught on to the trend, and I'm opening 4 of everything. And we got Harry. And number 2, there we go, there we go. We got Dobby. Number 3. There we go. Death. We got death. Oh, I got one more. Come on, do something good. Can't end on a note like that. Or maybe it's probably Death Eater. I probably just can't see the bottom of the... Yeah, that's what it is. Death Eater. That makes more sense. And then we got the Hogwarts Express. I can't even talk. Make sure you subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, and all social media links are in the link tree and the description. Later!